Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix audio cracking in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your audio is cracking or is not as well, so let's see some possible fixes for you. So the very first thing, just go to Windows settings, and in settings just go to system, and here go to sound. Now once you are in sound, you have to select your device which you are using for output, and let's say I'm going to select this one. Click on this arrow icon here. Now just scroll down. You might see audio enhancement. Just click on this and turn it off. Now once you have turned off, you have to go back and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go to device manager and just search for device manager, and you might see your audio drivers here. Here's the audio input and output, so just expand it from here, and here you will see your driver. So let's say I'm going to select my headphones here, right click on it, click on update driver, then click on set automatically for drivers. So if there will be any update for your driver, it will be installed. You can also install update from Windows update section, or you can also go to update driver and go to browse my computer for drivers. If you have any driver update in your PC or in your file explorer, so you can update or install that from here. Now once you have done, your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, so go to search again, and here just search for services. Now once you are here, you have to click on any service and then press W from your keyboard, and now you might see Windows audio. Just right click on it, go to properties, and here you might see startup tile. You have to select automatic from here, then click OK. Now right click on it again and then click on